So Nota has been going around trying to address these rape allegations that are leveled against him by Itumeleng Bukaba.
But I never thought this because I'm like, well, I mean, if you look at the messages, you know what I mean? There's no way where she says, hey, you assaulted me.
Yeah.
You forced yourself on me. There's no way where she says that, you know what I mean? And after the judge read these WhatsApps, they made the decision that, no, this man needs to be protected from harassment.
The controversial music producer Nota finds himself in the midst of social media storm after being accused of rape by actress Itumeleng Bukaba. I'm going to read from independent media. They are saying the former Rhythm City and New TV star said Baloyi allegedly forced himself onto her at his home earlier this month. Bukaba has since opened up a case of rape against Baloyi. A bunch of edited conversations between the two have now gone viral on social media. In the messages, Bukaba expressed that she felt uncomfortable and pressured during the encounter with Baloyi. She indicated that she said no several times and felt that the situation went too far, too quick. She also told Baloyi that she was not ovulating, but that he needed to send her some cash for a plan B. However, Baloyi's response indicated that while they did engage in sexual activities, it was consensual. So Baloyi went on Instagram Live to address this matter. In a short clip making the round on X, Baloyi said,
Anything that happened was consensual and was initiated by her, not me. She initiated it. So that's that on that. And that is on record.
and meanwhile, Bukaba took on Instagram to say that she will not address this matter on X, like on the Twitter streets. So she says, I quote, again, I want to address this on the Twitter streets because I have no power there. I want to state my case in front of a qualified judge who is educated on the matters of consent, sexual offenses, and the psychology of rape. I refuse to engage in a popularity contest. I am not the GOAT or the authority. I am just E2. And E2 is relying on the law. So please allow the due process to take place. Make your judgments after an official judgment has taken place. That's what she said on Instagram. And so on and so forth. So it looks like this case is headed to the courts. So we're just going to be following on this one. We just wish them all the best, both of them, because we were not there. So rapper Emtee was involved in a car accident this week. In a series of now deleted posts on Twitter, the musician said that this was a minor setback. The Manando hitmaker Emtee was in a car crash this week in Midrand at the Precinct Luxury Apartments. The rapper was said to have crashed onto a stationary vehicle while he was driving his silver Volkswagen Caravelle T5 on Monday. A video of the rapper making a phone call and looking distressed circulated all over social media, and it has sparked a buzz online. In a now deleted post, Emtee said, I just got into an accident. I know you don't care, but God is with me 24/7. Minor setback for a major comeback. So that's what he said, and people shared this video of him looking distressed and also making some calls out there for help. We just hope that everything is okay, his car is okay, and he's also okay. All the best to Emtee. We love you, man. Yo, Chris Brown is coming to South Africa. It looks like Chris Brown will be in South Africa in December. So on 14 December, Chris Brown will be hosting a big concert at the FNB Stadium. And guess how much you're going to pay for that ticket? For a general but standing ticket, it starts from 700 Rand. So general but standing tickets starts from 700 Rands. I just feel like if you're going to buy a general ticket and standing for 700 Rand, I feel like it's a bit of a force, guys. People can just go and get their Hennessy's and just enjoy. Maybe there's going to be a live stream on it, but I doubt. But I feel like we are forcing things if we're going to buy the standing, general standing. I think people should just enjoy their money, and I don't think it would be a good investment for this one. I'm not a big fan of these big R&B stars who decide to come to South Africa after they ran out of juice. I'm not sold. That's why I'm not impressed by all of them. Last week or last 2 weeks, we've seen Pastor Rhymes making havoc in Sentin, trending all over South Africa. Yes, it's good to see these guys, but why are they only coming here when they are no longer trending, when they are no longer relevant?
Joburg, thanks for having me back. Don't take so long to bring me back. Blame everybody that took all of this long time not bringing me back here.
Why do they only think of us when they're no longer relevant? So that's my issue with them. So I'm not going to go there. I just hope South Africans will go there and support, unlike what they did to Burna Boy, because the tickets are a little bit, steep. The tickets are a little bit steep. So I just hope South Africans won't do him dirty, just like they did Burna Boy. So we've seen Burna Boy try to host a concert at the FNB Stadium. We all know what happened. It didn't happen. So I just hope this one won't go that route, because the tickets are a little bit high. So yeah, that's all I had, guys. See you again in the next upload. Ciao.